Hi, my name is Miss Storms and I'm a reading teacher at Green Valley, and I'm coming to you with something a little different. We're going to start doing some science experiments. So each week I'm hoping to post at least one video with a different science demonstration. Your job is to make it an experiment by asking a question, because the experiment is not an experiment without a question to be answered. So the first one I'm going to show you today is to deal with vinegar, pennies, salt, a bowl that's not metal, and paper towels. So what we're going to do is we're going to see if this vinegar and salt mixture will clean these very dull and grimy pennies. So as you can see here, they're very grimy and dirty. They're not very shiny, especially compared to, let's see if I've got a good and shiny one. Look at this one here. Nice and shiny. So we're going to see if this vinegar and salt mixture is going to do anything to these really dull pennies. I also added a bowl of water because we're going to rinse them off after we try the vinegar and salt with them. I'm also going to put a picture of the dull pennies next to a picture of the pennies after we put it in the solution so that you can see the difference side by side. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to get my vinegar. I'm going to add 1/4 of a cup into my non-metal bowl. Okay, that's 1/4 of a cup. Does not smell very good. Of course. And then we're going to take a teaspoon of salt. I have a bowl of salt just to refill my shakers. That's about a teaspoon. Then we're going to stir it up. Easy, right? Alright, now we're almost to the fun part. I'm going to drop a few of my pennies in. Let me make sure I've got a picture of them to show you later. I'm going to drop a few in, especially these really dark ones, and we'll see how that works out. Let's do 3 to start out with. I'm going to stir it up again. Okay, drop my pennies in, and then we're going to count to 10 slowly. I'm going to take a video, see what's happening here. So not much is happening in the bowl, but let's count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now it's time to rinse them. So I'm going to take them. They still look pretty much the same, and put them in the clean water. Just kind of rinse them off a little bit. Okay. It did help a little bit, but they're still not as shiny. So it's hoping that one's pretty shiny. This one might just be too far gone. A little bit more. Let's try one more time. This time just the 10 seconds. So I'm going to take a picture of just these 3 that I'm putting in. Take a picture of these 3. Put them in there for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see here. Okay, I think I can tell more of a difference this time. I don't know what's the difference, but maybe just paying a little bit more attention to it. So we can see here, I'm going to put a picture and dry them off a little bit. I'll put a picture of them side by side, and we'll see if we can tell the difference. Let me put them on the table where it's in the same light. Oh, I think we'll definitely tell a difference. So, the vinegar that we use today is actually an acid that reacted with the salt to remove what's called copper oxide. And that's what makes your pennies really dull and greenish looking. Okay, that's all I have for you today. But like I said, this is just a demonstration. It's your job to make an experiment by asking a question and taking the steps to solve it. So you can come up with your own, or I have a few that you can do. So one that you can do is, will other acids work, such as lemon juice or orange juice? So remember, lemonade and orange juice have sugar in them, so that's another factor in it as well. If you have fresh lemons or fresh oranges, that's probably going to work best. But I'm going to try it with my lemonade and orange juice because I don't have either of those. And I'm going to see if my experiment works. Another question you can try to solve is, does this cleaning chemistry work with other coins? I have a ton of nickels and quarters and dimes. I'm going to try that too. I would love for you to post pictures of your results down in the comments below if you do the experiments. You can do just the demonstration if you like to see if it works for you. But I really want to encourage you all to get to experimenting and see what you can find out on your own.